Hi, I'm Mrs. Arman,
And I'm Mrs. B.
and we're going to show you how to come to kindergarten in the morning. Follow me. When you come to school in the morning, you'll walk all the way back here to room B115, and then you'll come in this door. Have a look around our classroom. Mrs. B, I am so excited to see them next week, aren't you?
I just can't wait.
See you soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Walker,
And I'm Mrs. Lemon.
and we are kindergarten here at Martin Elementary, and this is the door that you'll come in the morning. So you're gonna come around through the playground and through this door, and we're gonna show you what our classroom looks like. This is our classroom, and this is where you'll be throughout the day. This is what I look like without my mask, so that you can see me with and without it. And I'm so excited to see you, and I can't wait for you to get here.
And this is what I look like without my mask. And I'm so excited to see you all and have a fun start to our year.